Hey everybody, I just wanted to send a word today just to encourage you about right decisions. The Bible tells us over and over again about decisions that are right and decisions that are wrong or more common to man. If we look at Moses' story, the Bible tells us that there was a time when he became an adult, not when he was a child, not after he killed the other man and had to run into the woods, but when he had the option to actually choose, he decided not to be called a son of Pharaoh's daughter and instead to relate to his people. If you think about that in today's terms, it's kind of like Moses had the option to kind of wait out his turn. Eventually, his brother may have died, right? Or the Pharaoh may have died and he would have been elevated and had the option of freeing his people. But instead, he took the route that he believed God was calling him to do, and that was to suffer with his people and to do what he had to do to set them free in God's terms and not in the terms that might have seemed like the right way in the world. I'm sure you're maybe facing a decision today that might be a really, really hard one that seems like one route will be easier and make more sense for you, but the route that your heart is tugging you to is the hard route or the hurtful route or the one that you know might give you more heartache than you've been hoping for and when the decision is finally made. I'm not telling you that heartbreak or discomfort is the route to the decision that you need to make, but I am telling you that Jesus Christ is. And the peace that he gives you within far exceeds anything, any growth, any kind of promotion, any kind of great thing that you might feel you have in this world by doing it a way that isn't in line with his. I'll be praying with you. Please be praying with me that the decisions before us will be ones that are made in God's will and in his rightness and not in just what's comfortable.